Hi everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today we're going to be looking at the Mobius M9 Sorter and Auto Feed Conveyor. The Mobius M9 Sorter streamlines post-harvest processes by grading cannabis and hemp flowers by size at speeds of up to 440 pounds of dry flower per hour. The M9 is 1.5 times faster than its nearest competitor and 90 times faster than manual grading, resulting in reduced labor costs and more consistently sorted material overall. Unlike manual sorting, the flexible rotating belts work hands-free to gently move buds through the sort without compromising trichome counts. The M9 sorter offers unlimited sorting size options thanks to adjustable and removable sorting partitions and can be configured to left or right orientations to accommodate different workflows. Disassembly of the M9 for cleaning is fast, easy, and completely tool-free. The Mobius M9 is GMP ready and carries CSA, UL, and CE certification marks. To eliminate all labor requirements, the M9 sorter can be paired with the M9 Auto Feed Conveyor. The Auto Feed Conveyor provides a seamless connection between the Mobius M108S trimmer and the M9 sorter to create a fully automated cannabis processing line from bucking through to trimming and sorting. To learn more about automating your cannabis processing workflow with the Mobius M9 Sorter and Auto Feed Conveyor, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.